Don't go anywhere if you're taking organic chemistry. We're going to get you an A. Okay, so today we're doing some naming practice. This is one I posted a couple days ago as slides, but we're going to go through it step by step today. So we have this molecule right here. We need to get it a name. If you want, hit pause, work through it on your own, then come back to it. If not, let's start. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for what is the most important functional group on here. And what we see is this Cu. That's a carboxylic acid. So even though this carboxylic acid isn't part of the longest chain, if I go longer this way, the carboxylic acid takes precedence. So we have to name this as a carboxylic acid because of this right here. So let's start. Let's number that. And remember, we need to number these in a way that the functional group has the lowest number possible. So this would be 1, and then 2. Then we got to find the longest chain. It would be 3, 4, and 5. That means we have a 5-membered carboxylic acid. So just start with the, base part of the name, or I don't like to say base, the main part of the name. That would be pent, because it's 5. And then so remember, we do like we're saying pentane. Then we, lop off the E, and where's my pen? There we go. Pentan, O, pentanoic acid. All right. So then we need to deal with this right here and this right here. So what are those? Well, this right here is one. Ooh, there's my pointer. 1, 2 carbons. So that's an ethyl. This is just 1 carbon. So that's a methyl. And then luckily, this was all the naming works out here where we have this is 2 and 3. Those are lowest. And then so we have ethyl and methyl. And we got to put that on here. And now we always go in alphabetical order. So ethyl becomes before methyl, like E comes before M in the alphabet. So, it's always hard writing the other way. So we got to say where it is. Say 2 ethyl and 3. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to squeeze this in here, guys. Methyl, barely. I'll put text over that, but so that gives us our final name of 2 ethyl, 3 methyl pentanoic acid. That one was not hard. So just remember, always look if it's not just a simple alkane or alkene, look for the most important functional group. In this case, that carboxylic acid takes precedence. Find the longest straight chain from that, and then number and organize by alphabet. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that follow button, send it to your buddy that's in organic chemistry, or just send it to your friend.